Hello, thank you for stopping to watch my video. I want to teach this to as many U.S. business owners, franchisee owners, entrepreneurs, and 1099 income earners. So if you get work for yourself. So if you're a real estate agent, an insurance agent, digital marketer, or truck driver, or anything else. The Spendthrift Trust is legal. It's in the IRS Tax Code 643B. It's been in front of the United States Supreme Court on 2 separate occasions. It's as legal can be. This is not taught in schools. I want you to Google Tax Code 643B. You'll find an opinion letter dated September 11th, 2014 from the Treasury, from the IRS saying they don't like the irrevocable, complex, discretionary, non-grantor spendthrift trust. That's okay. It's an opinion letter. Only Congress can change the tax code. So many U.S. presidents, senators, and congresspeople have this trust. They're not changing it. The only thing they are doing is raising taxes. So let's get into this. The Business Spendthrift Trust is going to save you in 4, let's just say 3 very important ways. Number 1, save federal and state income taxes year after year, generation after generation. Number 2, it's going to keep your information completely private. I'm a real estate investor. They told me, oh, every property you get an LLC. Yeah, I did, but they didn't tell me that every LLC, S Corp, and C Corp is public information. You can go out to the Secretary of State website or the Corporation Commission website of each state and research it. And 40% of all LLCs, S Corps, and C Corps get sued every year. Yikes! And third way, all lawsuits become frivolous and go away. I was going to say the fourth way is that you don't have to do the 2024 Corporate Transparency Act, but I hope to God you've done it already. So to give you an example, last week I talked to a California expert witness. He talks about building codes. He is making $160,000 gross this year. He's married with his wife who has a W-2 income. We can't help the W-2 income. But because he's looking at the Spendthrift Trust and he lives in California, we're going to save him at 90%, $22,687, plus California state income taxes of $7,393, or grand total per year, $29,918, or if you're thinking about monthly, he's going to make an extra $2,360 per month, not working harder, not working longer, because he has a Spendthrift Trust. This trust was written by Paul Benson, a Harvard law professor 76 years ago. It's never been audited. Now his grandson and great-grandson run the law firm, so the law firm's name has changed. But when you buy a trust, they will give you a certification saying if you get questioned by the IRS, they will defend you free of charge. In 76 years, not a single trust has ever been audited. And yes, only one trust has been examined by a senior IRS agent. He actually sent an unsolicited letter back to the law firm saying these were the tax codes he covered. And if you reach out to me, I'll give you that letter. I have a free class on the Great Discovery. When you go out to my name, www.sallygimmon.com, you're going to get a 23-minute presentation. You're going to get, I just forgot what I was going to say, 3 articles from Forbes magazine that I did not write. You'll get 2 pages of case law so you can research this, and examples of clients saving thousands of dollars. This is legal. It's in the IRS Tax Code 643B. It's been in front of the United States Supreme Court on 2 separate occasions. It's as legal can be. With tax season coming up, you should be examining how much you could be saving year after year, generation after generation. I'm going to put, after this, when I repost this, I'm going to put my free website on there, and then the chat notes, I'm going to put how to set up a 30-minute tax breakthrough session with me. You could be saving so much in taxes. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you all learned something new. Again, this is the Business Spendthrift Trust. When this was originally done 76 years ago, there are 5 separate trusts. The Business Trust for federal and state income taxes, the Beneficial Trust for U.S. investors. You'll no longer pay capital gains, interest income, dividend income, rental income, and royalty income taxes. So if you're selling your business, yeah, I should tell you that. If you're selling your business, long-term capital gains will either be 15 or 20% that you can be saving with the Beneficial Trust. Paul Benson also wrote the Charitable Trust. He also wrote the Senior Trust if you're over 65. And then he also wrote the excuse me, if you have mineral rights. I've only sold one of those. One of my real estate investors inherited his granddad's horse farm in Oklahoma, and he has 6 oil wells on it. Please set up a 30-minute tax breakthrough session with me and start saving just like the rich do. Take care, have a beautiful weekend, and thank you for watching. Me and start saving just like the rich do. Take care, have a beautiful weekend, and thank you for watching.